In the currency quadrant, taking a look at a 5-day rally in the Japanese yen. Today was the fifth consecutive session that the Japanese yen finished the New York cash trading session higher than it opened, although it did not finish higher than yesterday's closing price in the futures. The high today was 68.12, which was up 0.5%, and the low today, 67.55, was down 0.34%. And with a little bit of time left in the session, we're down 0.15% versus yesterday's closing price. Now, on a weekly basis, the Japanese yen is up about 1.7% and completed the fifth week of higher prices in the last 7. Since reaching a 6-month low in the first week of January, the yen is now higher by almost 6.8%. Japanese government bond yields rose significantly this week, producing a pretty good tailwind for the yen. For example, the 10-year JGB is down slightly today on its yield, but as of Thursday, it hit a yield of 1.515%, which was the highest level since June of '09. We're also looking at some hawkish comments from Bank of Japan officials suggesting rates can go even higher based on recent strong performance in economic data like Japanese services PMI, which was released earlier in the week. Next week, we get Japanese GDP data, which markets expect to show continued but moderate growth. Quarter over quarter GDP is expected to come out at plus 0.7% versus last quarter's reading of plus 0.3%, with the price index rising as well. Figures like that would likely result in continued tailwinds for the Japanese yen unless we were to see some sort of intervention from the Bank of Japan, which the markets just don't expect.